Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the latest software update which I have received in the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X2 Pro, and it's been a really quite some time receiving the software updates in this phone. And finally, today I did receive the update, and in this video, I'll be talking about the update size and what are the features it does include in this kind of new update. And just in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for more details as well. So recently I did get Realme X7 Pro hands-on with me as well, friends. If you are not aware of that, so make sure to check those videos as well, which I uploaded so many videos already on this particular model, so more than 200 videos. So let's get started with the software update thing. So as you can see, there's an update recognized here. The update size is of 600 MB. So update size is of 600 MB. So let me try to quickly show you what are the features it does include here. So let's see which are the important and which is not important. First is that system optimized system performance and improved system stability. So maybe the performance got improved. And the apps, so fixed the issue of this some kind of music and when switching songs, so it is not helpful for me. And fixed the problematic issue that the Peacekeeper Lite app doesn't display the flash, so this is also not helpful for me, friends. And next is a notes, so fixed the problematic issue that the skin area is incomplete, and fixed the problematic issue that the notes cannot be switched after creating a note. So maybe some of the note application might having some kind of issue, that is also got fixed. So screenshot page duplication issue when scrolling screenshot in call recording feature, that is also got fixed. And next is finally the Android security patch update for the Jan 2021. As you can see, so this is a security update patch which we have received in the Jan 2021. So these are the few update log for the latest update in this Realme X2 Pro device. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. And definitely after updating this phone, I'll try to see if there is any performance improvement or not. Even I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test as well before and after, so you will be able to see what's the difference now and then as well. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a short video where I just want to make it clear what are the things you need to know in terms of the update features as well. This is a version which is right now, as you can see. And that's it for this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.